thought South Lubbock deserved a country club. All the good golf is north of town. We saw an opportunity around a great master plan development to bring a course to life. What makes it so different at Red Feather is we started with a flat cotton field, less than 10 feet of fall from anywhere. And we ended up moving almost 2.5 million yards of dirt to create lots of canyons, barrancas that are really native to just about 40 miles east of here.
We're on a very small property, so there's lots of green and tee boxes next to each other. So you're constantly seeing people, constantly conversating with your friends. So it's really unique on just the layout of it.
We came across Kafka Granite looking for a solution that kept the integrity of the golf course but provided us some carts. We started out wanting to do 0 cart paths out here, but with the wear and tear and how our members use the course, we needed to find a solution. I didn't want to take away from the integrity of what King Collins designed with concrete. And the Kafka Granite really came in real handy trying to find something that was playable, that looked beautiful and looked natural and blended into the architecture of the golf course.
It's a great investment for a property because it has a multitude of uses. We've used it on a staircase project right over here beside this green. We've used it on a couple of washouts. We've used it as a riverbed on a water feature too. So it's got multiple uses. It's definitely not just a one-trick horse, as you could say.
You know, we tried some granite before, some untreated granite. And we discovered that there's dust, there's flare-ups, there's washouts, and we get heavy rains here in West Texas. And it's been amazing how the Kafka Granite has held up to our torrential rains, to the water flows and the sheds that come across, and just provided a great playing surface, all while giving us cart traffic and then allowing us to have maximum playability around the greens when we really don't have any trouble because it plays more like a bunker than it does a cart path. We want to provide great member experience. That's what it's all about. I love families being out here. I love turning handshakes into fist bumps and fist bumps into hugs. We're all about fun here. We're all about community. We're all about great member experience, and we try to provide a premium experience, and Kafka Granite has been a big part of that.